Welcome. Welcome to Science, Health and Healing Encyclopedia of Children's Health Core. I'm Dr. Majid Ali. The subject of this video is Obamacare and the Supreme Court. On June 28, 2012, the Supreme Court ruled that President Obama's Affordable Care Act is constitutionally valid. I welcome that decision, as many others did in the United States. I think it is a very good step in the right direction. Next day, on June 29th, the New York Times ran a story on the front page of its business section that the Wall Street's initial response to the Supreme Court's decision was that HCA stock rose 11%. HCA is one of the largest, if not the largest, medical care corporation in the United States. They control a large number of hospitals and other medical facilities. That simple news validated some concerns that I expressed in a video that I posted on April 4th, 2012, 2 months earlier. I made two predictions in that video. One, Supreme Court strikes down Obamacare, and 10 years from now, America is a sicker country, and 20 years from now, even sicker country. Prediction two, the United States Supreme Court upholds Obamacare, and 10 years from now, the United States is a sick country, and 20 years from now, it will be a sicker country. I have given you the basis of my predictions in many different videos at many different levels. But I'll tell you something very simple. Several months ago, we were traveling and we went into a shopping mall in the state of Pennsylvania. I became aware that the majority of the teenagers and young people there were obese. In fact, what I would consider obese, almost 1/3 of the youngsters that I saw were obese, and another 1/3 were overweight. This should not surprise me, because 40% of children in New York City are either overweight or obese. 70% of Pima Indians in southwestern United States now have diabetes, they have heart disease, many of them have kidney failure, and of course 70% of them or so have diabetes. No changes in the Obama's Affordable Care Act, no ruling of the Supreme Court of the United States is going to take away the responsibility that teenagers, children have to themselves, parents have to them, the society at large has for them. So even though I welcome Supreme Court's ruling on Obamacare, sadly I will tell you that if the United States will continue to build bigger and bigger hospitals as the people of the United States become more and more constipated, more and more angry, more and more fearful, the problems are very different. Please look at part B of this video, part 2, Obamacare and the Supreme Court. I offer some more comments. Forward this YouTube segment to your contacts. Our vision here is to provide authentic information that is free of cost, free of corporate deceptions, and free of ideological distortions. Thank you for joining me. Thank you so much.